Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So basically it's the new Dewalt. It's an awesome drill. Show you what it has. It comes with a nice little duffel bag. As you can see, very nice. Nice little duffel bag. So let me show you what it comes with and everything. Okay, as you can see, it comes with the charger. The battery. So battery goes right into the charger, as you can see. Pretty cool. You have your manual, everything about it. Okay, so now the pretty cool drill itself. As you can see, looks just like this. It has a Hacks shack. So basically it use these types right here. You cannot use a regular drill bit. Okay, it does lock in. Okay, so right here, this is where it turns into a straight one, as you can see. The battery. Okay, you have a button lock. Put it up, it locks the button. You can see now it's on. You have your battery indicator right here. You have two LED lights. Very nice. So now, the crazy thing about this is there's no backwards or forward button. So now, if you want to go forward, you have to twist your hand. Okay, you twist your hand, turn it on that way, it goes the other way. It goes the other way. It goes with the wrist. Pretty cool. So, as you can see, if I twist my hand this way, it's going like this. Now I twist my hand this way and it's going like this. And you go slowly, as you can see, it's spinning. And the more you twist your wrist, it spins faster. Okay, so do the other way. As you can see, I'm twisting my wrist. And the more you bring it down, the faster it goes. So that's the pretty cool part about this. Now you have max 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very nice design. Very light. Weighs a couple, maybe 2 pounds. Not even. I like that it twists open. And as you can see, you get into tighter spots. So the same thing. So that's pretty cool how they did that now. It's very nice that you don't have to really press the button to change the side you're gonna go. So it's just a matter of twisting your wrists, as you can see. One that way. Very nice drill. Very nice. Very compact, small battery. We used it for about maybe 2 hours cleaning some parts there, and the battery went down just a little bit, as you can see from the last one. We haven't charged it yet, so now we're going to charge it and everything. Love that it has the light. It would have been nice if the lights would have turned off when you press the trigger, but it doesn't. It takes a few seconds to turn off. I like the lock so the drill bit or the tip won't fall. Okay, as you can see, we have one of these, so it's very nice that it does not fall, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just click it up, takes it right out, as you can see. So it's very nice, very small. It is not big at all, and the duffel bag that it comes with is very nice too. Very small, very nice. This is the model DCF 680 cordless screwdriver, as you can see. So it's a drill, and they basically call it like a screwdriver right here. Very nice how whoever came up with this new type of drill, beautiful. Now it's hard, you know, to get used to it, but once you get used to it, it works amazing. I love everything about it so far. You know, comparing to this one, I have a video on this one too. This one basically is the same concept. You know, it turns into like this, the same concept, but is a little slower, a lot slower. This one, the battery lasts longer, but otherwise, as you can see, they're about the same exact thing. As you can see. But like I said, Dewalt is a lot better brand. So nice. Goes right into the bag. You have your charger. Charger's pretty cool. As you can see, when the battery is charging, very nice. It's very nice. So click right in. See, if you hold it straight, it does not spin. It spins very slow. You see, it doesn't spin at all. And now you start going this way, and you see it spinning. Turns off, and you start going the opposite way. So as long as you get your hand and get used to it, stops. It's not loud at all, so that's a pretty cool part about it. Stop. Very nice. And you could twist this right here, put the different numbers and stuff like that. Even on max. So like I said, twist it slowly. And bring it to the middle. Awesome. Well, that is about it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment below. Okay guys, so got the screwdriver. Okay, so if I go towards the right, as you can see, go left, go right, go left, go right. As you can see, it's smooth and it's nice. Go left. And I don't even have to press no buttons. Go left, go right, go left. Very smooth. Awesome. Recommend it. Well, that is about it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so this part of the video I'm going to show you that I'm screwing down the Phillip heads. If I turn it towards the left, as you can see, I screw right down. Works very smooth, very smooth. Well, as you can see, I'm going to turn it to the right and it's going to loosen it, and I'm going to turn it to the left, it's go down. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Awesome drill.